All right, what's going on, y'all? Peace. What's happening, world? Got y'all another one. I told you I'll be back. I've been working on this LS. It's a 6.0. It's 430 over. We're gonna make a turbo engine out of it, but I'm putting the Serpentine belt kit on it. So I want y'all to take a look at it. It came out pretty good. I needed to do a live video with y'all while I was installing it, but you see. It look good over here. I didn't think it would come out that pretty, to be honest with you. But it really looks good. It's gonna look nice. It's going inside of a 63 Impala. The car is gonna be white, so I did the valve covers in white. I did the valley pan in white, and put some black screws on it. I mean, I'm gonna dress these up too. You don't really need to because our coil packs are going on top right here, but that's something I like to do anyway. You know, got your ARP head studs in it. I mean, it's looked like a very nice piece. It's pretty, and I think you're gonna like it. It really is. And I just see what we did here. I feel good about it. I can go in the house now and get me something to eat. Take this out. Later I go sleep. Until the next time, y'all. I got more projects coming on the way. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Hit the like button. We'll see y'all on the next one. Look at G Motorsports. And we out.